Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Conquest 6320D motorhome by Thor. This camper is at 32 feet 11 inches long and has an exterior height of 11 feet 3 inches. Of course, on this Conquest we're looking at, has the full body paint, and of course on all their slides they do the slide toppers, so no extra cleaning when you go to run those slides and make sure there's no debris. Again, nice look at this awesome paint job on this camper. As we're moving up to it, you have the exterior TV here with the removable JBL speaker. Walking inside here, you get a great view of the theater seating there, so that way you can sit next to your loved one and watch TV that's directly across from it and recline. Great view of the kitchen here. Nice big countertop with a single basin sink. Plenty of storage underneath, as well as storage overhead. Microwave above the stove there. 3-burner stove with a nice oven below. There's your 12-volt refrigerator. Moving on down to the bathroom. Nice glass shower door with a nice big shower with a skylight for all the tall people. Plenty of room to move around in there. Nice big queen bed back here in the master bedroom. Plenty of storage overhead in the top of the cabinets there. Awesome view through those little side windows as well. Wardrobe across from the bed there. Moving back down, you have moving into the throne room here. Nice sink to brush your teeth, as well as a vanity right above it. All that room for all your toiletries and everything. Moving back through the camper here, you have the dinette. Also doubles as a bed. There's a good look at that theater seating. And here's the bed over top of the cockpit with a little bit more storage for any kind of kiddos that want to come with you. Thanks for joining us.